that a skunk running at me? I think there's a skunk running right at me.
What the fuck? The skunk was chasing me. Since when do I get chased by a skunk out here? Yeah, this is so weird. I don't know what he's so mad about. I was just running by. How long could he really chase me for? It's like one of those horror movies where I trip and they get me. The skunk is either rabid or super pissed off. As long as I stay ahead of him. Jesus Christ. Oh, he's out there in the middle of the field. I think he's... Nope. Still coming. I thought I lost him. And apparently I didn't. Because he's still right, chasing me. Oh, I almost fell. This is so weird. I gotta try to juke this guy.